If it's the first time creating a class, you will get this Start Tour, Welcome to your class. If it's the first time, you'll get the Start Tour. It'll tell you quickly what the main aspects of Google Classroom are. In the Classroom stream, you can post announcements, create assignments, and ask questions to your class just by pressing the plus. Create announcement, create assignment, create question, reuse post. This I'm going to show you in a little bit of how to get your students to join your class. You do not need to enter any of your students' information in here unless you want to. It's very quick. It takes less than a minute for your students to join your class. As of right now, this does not interface with Infinite Campus, so your rosters will not automatically be uploaded into Google Classroom. You can invite students this way, but again, I would use the class code. A little bit about your Google Classroom class pages. You have your stream. This is where everything will be shown, announcements, all the information. It's very similar to your Facebook stream. If you click on students, this will show you all of your students. I'll show you one that we use for the Lunch and Learn so that you can see what it looks like. Then you want to make sure that you choose one of these three options. Do you want your students to be able to post and comment on everything? Do you want your students to be able to comment? Or do you only want your teacher to be able to post and comment? The About page, this is where I like to add anything that, like classroom policies, things that you want kind of pinned for the entire year or for an extended period of time. So the name of this class was AP US History. If you want your class description, however you want to do that. What room? 3014 is my room right now. The very nice thing about Google Classroom, it has already created a Google folder, Drive folder for you. You do not need to do that. And then you can go see anything in the classroom, in your calendar, or you can open it in a Google Calendar. And I want to save that. And then I can add materials. For example, Mrs. Argentar's classroom policies. And then you can attach anything from your desktop computer, from the drive, from a YouTube or any web link. I think my classroom policies are in the drive, and you can simply search using this feature. I don't think I labeled it classroom policies. Let's see if I just did policies, maybe procedures. There we go. Accelerated Biology Classroom. I know I said AP US History, but here's my Accelerated Biology course policies. I post it, and now this will be here for the entire year or until you decide to click on it and delete it. I also use this, for example, right now we have a second semester project which is several months long, and I'd like all of that material, and so I would place it on this page so they don't have to go through the stream re-looking for that. These three lines here is a list. You can go back to your home page. This is kind of your landing dashboard of all the classes that you've made and any class that you have rights to co-teach. Your calendar, which will show you all of your assignments that you have due. For example, here's everything that I did on the Google Lunch and Learn from last Friday. And then you can go to work. This work shows all classwork from all classes. You'll notice it takes a little bit of time if you have a lot of classwork or if it's during a lunch period to load all the assignments. And then you can go and click on anything that you would like to see. And then here are a list of all of your classes and then any archived classes. And that is pretty much the overall feel of Google Classroom.